Thank you for being willing to participate in the Wasatch Center for Advanced Professional Studies, also known as Wasatch CAPS.
The purpose of this video is to make sure you know what to expect and then to give you some tools to help you be successful.
The specifics of how CAPS works is we take juniors and seniors up from the high school to the UVU Wasatch campus, and they work on your project while in that facility. They're put typically in teams of 2 or 3 students and assigned to your project.
These projects help students acquire the professional skills that are so essential in today's economy.
If you're watching this video, you're more than likely one of 2 roles. You're either a mentor or a client role. A mentor is someone who comes in and they come in when they can, and they just help out in the area of their expertise. A client, on the other hand, is someone who has a project that the students are actually going to be working on.
Successful CAPS projects meet 3 criteria. Number 1, the projects are real. We want you to offload projects to us that mirror what you do every day in your business or in your industry. Number 2, CAPS projects require research. We want students to have the experience researching solutions to a real-world problem. And number 3, CAPS projects require a deliverable, something that they will present back to you at the conclusion that demonstrates the work that they've put into it. This could be a video, it could be a marketing plan, a whole host of ways that they can communicate back to you their ideas. Once you've decided to become a CAPS mentor or client, we'll take your project or your specific area of expertise and assign it to one of our 5 CAPS course areas: business, marketing and entrepreneurship, engineering and industrial design, health and medicine, environment and agriculture, or digital design and software development.
Our CAPS location is located on the lower floor of the Utah Valley University Wasatch campus. The location covers about 8,000 square feet, built out to replicate a modern work atmosphere. We have 80 to 100 students a semester who attend every other day as we follow the high school block schedule, which runs Monday, Wednesday, Friday on one week, then the next week would be Tuesday, Thursday. Students attend CAPS for 2 consecutive high school periods or approximately 2 hours a day, typically starting around noon and ending around 2 to 2:15. And here are some of our clients giving advice that they've learned through the process.
I think right from the beginning, it would be great to sit down with the students and establish the expectations, but also let them know that it's okay to mess up and that you're willing to let them try and to fail and to try again. Then they're going to have the confidence to take risks and to think outside of the box. I think a client going into this should have a very positive and a can-do mentality. That's what they're going to see from the students, and so if they reciprocate that and just really lead by example, I think it's going to be a win-win for the students and the client and the mentor.
I think one of the things that we need to keep in mind as we work with the CAPS students is they're young, but they really want to learn, and so we need to set aside dedicated time to work with those students. And so some things that I've learned throughout the years is to always try to carve out that CAPS hour so that if those students needed me, that I could be available for them. The other thing that I've learned in mentoring those CAPS students is I don't need to take those assignments on. They're there to learn. And so I really tried to look at those CAPS students as staff members of my department. And then when we would come up with, okay, what are our next steps? I'd put the question back on them. And then I would sit quietly and I'd let the students come up with it. And occasionally I would help brainstorm and then I'd let them take it. Because they're not going to really learn and contribute to the workforce in a way that's meaningful for them or for us if we're always taking the assignments and saying, well, I'll take care of that.
So someone asked me one time, what kind of mentality should I have in going into working with these young professionals? I personally would say, set your expectations high. You set the bar here and help them get there, they will rise to the occasion. They are absolutely impressive. They are incredibly intelligent. So if you're looking for a refreshing new experience, don't limit them. Don't set the bar. Have a mentality that they literally are going to help you change your business, and they will. And with that, we thank you and look forward to working with you in the CAPS program.